In this practical example we will create a sketch, training the use of commands such as linear sketch pattern and mirror entities. Come on, let's go. We start a new part file and in the superior plane we start a sketch. We click on the arrow of the command corner rectangle and choose the option Center Rectangle. We click on the source and drag the mouse, creating a rectangle centered on the source. We define your dimensions as shown. Next, we draw 2 center lines and 3 circles. We apply geometric and dimensional relations, follow up. We want circles to also be created at the other end of the piece, so we activated the Mirror Entities command. We select the entities and the center line. By keeping the copy option active, we confirm the command and have the mirroring performed correctly. Next, we will create more details in our sketch. We activate the command corner rectangle and draw a rectangle. We scale as shown. We want to repeat it to the other ends of the sketch, and we will do so using the command linear sketch pattern. We activate the command and select the entities to repeat. We set the directions and number of copies as shown. We confirm the command and add some dimensions, completely defining the sketch. Alright. We concluded this example, where we trained the use of important SolidWorks tools.